We are pleased to show you the 2016 XC60. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light. Inside you'll find navigation system, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.